So in today's video, I'm going to be making an ego riser. This is what bands use to stand on stage. So this is the Word Alive. They've got large ego risers. I'm going to make a smaller one. But yeah, basically right there. Everything they're standing on. So everything I make this out of is really just tube steel for the legs, angle iron to support the expanded sheet metal. Right now I'm cutting the legs. And like I said, this is for my buddy's band who you saw just before this, Then It Hit Me. They're a pop punk band from Arizona. They've got some awesome music. It's all on Spotify and YouTube. They just released a music video, which is what I made this for, so you could use it in the video and then for future shows. So, still cutting tube steel. Got all my legs. Now I'm going to cut my angle iron support. I wanted to make it nice and miter the corners. And I'm kind of not going to talk much, just so you can check them out and listen to Then It Hit Me playing in the background. So now I'm going to clamp them all up, and what you don't see there is I drew a 90-degree mark on the wood table. So I'm clamping it to where it's 90 degrees, tack welding, clamp my next please, tack weld, and rinse and repeat. Full welding. Let's put that mesh on. Pretty much straightforward. Follow it all the way around. Clamp it up. Weld as I go. Weld up the legs. Might see a shot of it. My wife always makes fun of me for wearing freaking red underwear and my pants sag, I guess. I think I edited it out. We'll see. Yeah, put the legs on. Weld on the closing ends for the legs. It's pretty much a straightforward, simple build. Realized I wanted some mid supports, so just measured those from some scrap pieces. Cut them up. This is all honestly used from scrap metal that I had laying around. There we go. Rolling up. Clean up the welds. And that's it. Let's test it out. Cut to music video. Don't mind me being an idiot. Oh shit, that's me as a zombie. I'm gonna shut up now. Alright, so check out my boys, Then It Hit Me. I'll leave a link in the description. Alright, peace.